All right, so we've checked voltage. We know that we're dead now. So right here, I want to show you. You see all this buildup right here? Look at that. There's like a buildup, a film of some sort of compound from these breakers never having been used. If you look here, come look at the bussing on here. Look how shiny that is. That's bright and shiny right there. It has literally been protected by these connections right here on the breaker. Over time, these slots, if there's not a breaker on there producing small amounts of heat to protect the bussing, it gets this buildup. I've seen it where we put a brand new breaker in and it melts the breaker right here. The entire backside of the breaker melts off. It's due to a bad connection. So you got two options. You can clean this off with a bristle brush, something like this. You can clean it off, or you can relocate these breakers down to these slots because most of these are not drawing very much amperage. So you can relocate these. Still, you want to clean them off if you're going to do that, or you can get quad breakers. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get quads.